Do you want to learn English fast? Do you want to speak English fluently? Then join me in today's episode of Daily English. Hi, my name is Valen. This is Cosmic Academy, and I'm here to help you learn English fast. In today's lesson, you will learn how to use the verb could, the verb want to, and the verb have to. As you watch the show, listen carefully and try to understand. Then, watch the grammar lesson with Gabrielle. After you finish the lesson, click the link in the description below for more free practice and quizzes of today's English. Alright then, I'll see you on the other side.
Is that Britannia Restoration Shop? Can you repair a ceramic vase? Oh, thank you. What is your shop? Could you say that again? 19A Britannia Street, near King's Cross. I'm sorry, what does tube mean? Oh, the train. The underground. Yes. No. Could you say that again? Oh. Between King's Cross Road and Gray's Inn Road. Thank you very much. Wait. Hello? Yes. What time do you close? Oh dear, 6. Thank you. Goodbye. I have to go there before my shift. Hello? Oh, hello, Chan. Yes, I'm looking forward to tonight. Where do you want to meet? Queensway. What time? That's okay. I will come from work. I finish at 7, yes. How do I get there? Okay, I'll see you later. Bye. Bye.
You sound happy this morning.
Oh, yes, good morning.
Oh, can I have a cup too?
Yes, of course.
Are you going to meet Chong tonight?
Yes, we arranged to meet at a restaurant in Queensway. Oh. Do you know how to get there? I'm afraid of the underground. Does the bus go there?
Yes. You can catch the 9:28 going towards Golders Green, and then at Notting Hill Gate, take the 94 bus towards Piccadilly. And then you want...
that sounds very difficult.
Are you coming home after work?
No, I'll go directly from work.
I think you should come here, and I will help you get dressed, and it won't take long from here.
We're meeting at 8:30.
Well, then take a cab.
Cab?
A mini cab. A taxi?
Oh, taxi. Taxi.
Do you think Victor's having a good time in Brussels?
Boulogne.
Oh,
Oh, yes, I'm sure he is.
Boulogne, yes. I adore everything French.
Oh.
Harold and I have such fond memories of Paris.
I would like to go to Paris.
Oh, you will. Maybe soon, for your honeymoon. You know, Victor speaks fluent French.
I need to find the right man.
Well, don't look too far.
Okay, Agatha, I'm going to get dressed.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello. This morning I read a very interesting article about how many people in the world speak English. A great many, believe me. And I am sure you want to be one of them. So let's get down to work. Our lesson today is about the verb could. We are going to talk about could, its conjugation, and its interrogative and negative forms. Could you repair a ceramic vase? Then you'll learn how to ask about something you don't understand. Could you say that again? And then the verb to want. Finally, we'll have a look at the verb to have to. I want to help my students, but they have to study hard. Let's start with the verb could. Our screen is going to help you understand everything. Could is the past of can, and it is used to talk about what someone or something was able or permitted to do in the past. In this episode, Elena is trying to find someone to repair. Do you remember what? Right, the ceramic vase. Britannica Restoration can repair the ceramic vase. Elena could go there after work. As in the case with can, you don't have to add an S to the third person singular of could. To make it negative, we just put not after could. You can say could not or couldn't. Elena could not repair the ceramic vase. Or she couldn't repair the ceramic vase. The interrogative form is could you. Could you say that again? Or could you speak more slowly? These sentences are very useful when you don't understand something. Don't you agree? In this episode, Elena is having difficulties understanding some words. She asks, "What's a cab?" You can also say, "What does tube mean?" Or, "What does the word tube mean?" She is asking these questions because she wants to learn the meaning of new words. And this brings us to the next part of our lesson, the verb to want. Elena wants to repair the vase. I want to help you with your English. Notice that you say Agatha wants to help her, not Agatha wants help her. In this episode, Elena says, I have to go there before my shift. But let's see some other examples. You have to practice your English every day. I have to stay on a diet if I don't want to get fat. And now I have to go because our time is over. Bye and see you next time.
So how was today's lesson? Which part was the hardest? Was it the grammar? Was it the vocabulary? Did they talk too fast? Tell me in the comments below. If you want to improve your English fast, you have to practice it. So I'm giving you free exercises and quizzes to help you build your English skills. Just click the link in the description below to access my exercises. Also, are you looking for friends to practice English with? Join our Facebook group to practice English with real people like you from around the world. Click the link in the description below to join. Practice new English every day and you will improve fast. So thanks for watching today's lesson. If you learned something, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more English lessons.